Good morning. Today's topic is chapter Relation and Function, exercise 2.3 from question number 5. Okay, let's start. Question number 5 is find the range of this function. So only here range you have to find. So question is 5 number 2. Fx equal to x square plus 2, where x is a real number. So exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3 from NCERT book. Question number 5. Number 2. So question is fx equal to x square plus 2. X square plus 2. Where x is a real number. That means x belongs to R, real number. X belongs to R is real number. Now, say, so function is x square plus 2. So we know any square term, any square number is always positive. So x square is square term, so it is greater than equal to 0. It is positive. So since x square greater than equal to 0 because of square term, any square number is positive, so it is greater than 0. Now function is x square plus 2, so adding 2 on both sides, so it is x square plus 2. This is greater than equal to 0 plus 2, that means 2. Now x square plus 2 means fx function, given function. So it is fx greater than equal to 2. Fx greater than equal to 2. Now fx is y value. So range means, we know range means values of y. So values of y here greater than equal to 2. That means start from 2 and more than 2. All the real numbers. And where end is up to positive side, infinity, plus infinity. So less than plus infinity. Now equal sign is there. That means start from 2. So all numbers are here positive. No negative numbers are there. So therefore range equal to range of this function. Therefore range equal to, so start from 2 and it is equal sign is there, greater than equal to, so it is close interval 2. So start from 2 and end with where less than plus infinity. That means open interval infinity. So infinity, this is open interval. So from 2, 2, 3, 4 and fraction also, all the real numbers and up to infinity, close interval. So this is the range of this function. Is okay? Hello? Clear this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand range? Next question is number 3. Fx equal to x. X is a real number. Question number 3 is fx equal to x, where x is a real number. That means x belongs to R, real number. Now you see, so fx equal to x. So fx means we know y. That means y and x are same in this question. That means domain and range are same. So domain is R, it is given x belongs to R. That means range also R, because if you take any number in place of x, that means x value, if you take x equal to 5, then fx also 5. If you take x equal to minus 1, fx also minus 1. That means all are same, x equal to y. So range of this function also R, real number. That means domain and range are same in this question. Therefore, since x belongs to R, since x belongs to R, so range equal to R. So both are same, range and domain. Okay? Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down all of you. Write these two questions. Written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do some extra question from this chapter only. So first, number 1, find the domain of fx equal to 1 by x minus 3. Okay, so fx is function is 1 by x minus 3. Find its domain. So domain means we know x value. Now first to tell when this function is not defined. For any function, when it is not defined, any idea? Hello? When a function is not defined, if its value is infinity means not defined, means not possible. So when this function 1 by x minus 3 is infinity, so infinity means we know 1 by 0. If 1 by 0 is coming, then it is infinity. So 1 by 0, that means if denominator is 0. If denominator is 0, then it is infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. So how denominator is 0? For what value of x? X minus 3 becomes 0. Hello? Hello? For what value of x? X minus 3 becomes 0. Tell. For what value of x?
Sir, real.
For what value? Particular value? When x minus 3 becomes 0? When? So,
Back of x is 3.
yes. So how it is coming? X minus 3 equal to 0? X minus 3 equal to 0, no? So this means
Yes, sir.
x equal to 3. Whatever the denominator, okay, you take denominator equal to 0. Then x value will come. So x equal to 3. That means when x equal to 3, x minus 3 is 0. That means fx is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. So take other value except x equal to 3. Take any value, it is possible. Okay, it is not infinity. That means except x equal to 3, all value you can take, and that is defined. So domain equal to except x equal to 3, all real numbers. So therefore domain equal to r is real number, so all value r minus except these 3. Okay, see how to write. R is real number means all number. So if you take all numbers, it is possible except x equal to 3. So domain equal to r minus 3. Clear now? How to find this type question? Domain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we see another question. Number 2. Find the domain of fx domain of fx equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, that is numerator. Numerator is x square plus 2x plus 1, and denominator is x square minus 8x plus 12. So x square minus 8x plus 12. 8x plus 12. Okay. So same type question. Yes. So we have to find when this function. Okay. That means for what values of x, denominator becomes 0. For what values of x, denominator becomes 0. So now, so when denominator becomes 0, now, so x square minus 8x plus 12, this is equal to 0. Okay. Now find how to find x from this equation. Hello. How to find x from this relation?
Middle term factorization.
Yes, middle term factorization. So start, do the middle term, then 12. So 12 is 6 into 2, 12, 6 to the 12, and 6 plus 2 is 8, no? Okay. So x square 6 to the, and 6 plus 2 is 8. X square minus 6x minus 2x. So 6 minus 2 is 8x, and 6 into 2, 12. So 12x square is okay, plus 12 equal to 0. Then x is common, so x minus 6 minus 2 common, x minus 6 equal to 0. So this is equal to x minus 6 into x minus 2. X minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to, this imply
6 and 2.
6 and 2. Okay. So 6 and 2, x. Now, what is the domain of this function? Therefore domain equal to, domain equal to r minus, tell, r minus, except these 2 points, 6 and 2. Except these 2, 6 and 2, all numbers, it's possible. So 6, if you take 6, x equal to 6, then it becomes infinity. If you take x equal to 2, this function becomes infinity. So except 6 and 2. That means r minus 6, 2. Clear now? It's okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes, sir.
answer. This is the domain. All of you write down this written. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next question is, relation is given. Okay. Verify it is a function or not. It is a function or not. Okay. See. So question number 3. Relation is 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, then 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay. So this is a relation. Now question is, this relation is a function or not? This relation is a function or not? Tell any idea? Anyone? Already you done this type questions?
No, sir.
No. Why it is not function? Why?
So because in two cases, one is there.
Two cases what? One.
So one is there.
But it is different element image, no? See, 2 is an element, its image is 1. And 3 is another element, image is 1. So we know from definition, all the elements of first set has one and only one image. So any element here present, 2 image, any element here, 2
So
image.
one.
No, 1 is an image, but different element, no. 2 and 3, different element. Same element, 2 image, it is not possible. Okay. Same element and different image. Same element, 2 image or more than 2. It is not possible. But different element, 2 and 3 are different element. So it is possible. Different element. No. Different element it is possible. So see 2, 3, x values are 2, 3, 4, 5. So all numbers are distinct. All the values of x, all the values of x they are distinct. So it is possible. So it is a function. Yes, it is a function. It is clear now. Hello. Hello. It is clear now. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Once again.
So it is a function because different element, same image, it is possible. But one element, 2 image or more than 2 image, it is not possible. So yes, this is a function. Yes, this is a function, and its domain equal to domain
2, 3, 4, 5.
so domain equal to first element 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain, and range equal to
1 to 6.
range 1 to 6. 1, 2, 6. This is the range. Okay. See, another question. Relation is three comma 10, 3 comma 10, 3 comma 10, then 5 comma 12, 5 comma 12, 7 comma 14, 7 comma 14, 7 comma 14, and last one is 5 comma 16, 5 comma 16. See, 3, 10, 5, 12, 7, 14, and 5 comma 16. Now check, this is a function or not? This one, this relation, 3, 10, 5, 12, 7, 14, and 5, 16. This is a function. Hello? Hello? Any idea?
No, sir.
Any idea? It's a function or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Why it is not a function?
So 5 is present 2 times in different sets.
Okay, this one correct. Yes. First one is 3 comma 10. It's okay. Image of 3 is 10. Second one is 5 comma 12. Image of 5 is 12. Then third one is 7 comma 14. Image of 7 is 14. But last one again 5 comma 16. Image of 5 is 16. So one element 5 has two images. One element 5. Same element 5, two images, 12 and 16. So it is not possible. So this is not a function. So we know every element has one and only one image. But here 5 is an element having two images, 12 and 16. So okay. So no, this is not a function. No, this is not a function. This is not a function because f of 5 equal to 12 and
16.
f of 5 equal to 16. So two image 12 and 16, it is not possible. So it is not a function. So it is not a function, then domain and range is not exist, so no need to write domain and range. Okay, now it is clear when a relation is a function and when it is not. Now clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question, any doubt? All of you? You can ask now question. Hello? Hello? Okay. Next. See one more question. Short type. Fx equal to mod of x plus 1. Fx equal to mod of x plus 1. Find the domain of this function. So what is the domain of this function fx equal to x plus 1? Domain means x value. When this function is defined for what values of x, that is the domain. For what values of x this function is defined means possible. Hello? Hello? If you take x value, x is 1, it's okay, 1 plus 1, 2. If you take x is minus 1, then also possible, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, is okay. 1 by 3, fraction also you can take. So any value you can take, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any value you can take, no, here? And then
Yes, sir.
is possible. So any value you can take, then what is the domain of this function? Yes? Any value you can take, then what is the domain?
Any value except 1.
Except what? Tell. Hello?
1.
Why 1 except? Why? If you take x equal to 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then what is the problem? If you take x equal to 1, then what is the problem? This is not denominator, no, this is numerator. Numerator 0 also possible. Okay? Clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So any value you can take x value. So any value means, what is the notation? Any value of x? Real number R, capital R. Capital R means any value, positive, negative, fraction, everything, all. Clear now? Okay? And what is the range of this function? Range. So domain equal to R. And range of this function, range. If we put any value of x, then what will be the answer? Fx. If we put x equal to minus 1, then fx will be 0. So 0 is coming. Any negative value is possible here. Hello? 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 Any negative value is possible? Mod value is negative possible. Mod value. If you take x equal to minus 2, then minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. But mod of minus 1 is plus 1, positive only. We know mod value is always positive. So here negative value is not coming. all are positive, and lowest value is 0. Okay, 0 is coming if x is -1, then range equal to 0 to infinity, because 0 is coming 0 to infinity. Infinity is open interval and 0 is closed interval. So range is 0, infinity, and 0 is closed interval and infinity is open interval. All of you understand this right now? Hello? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.